Get ready, start. It is submitted by learned counsel for the applicant that the applicant is absolutely innocent and has falsely been implicated in the present case with some ulterior motive. It is further submitted by learned counsel for the applicant that in the aforesaid case, crime number 389 of 2020, arising out of same recovery, co-accused Subhash Sagar has already been granted bail wide order dated 2010-2020 by Additional Sessions Judge Court number 3 Allahabad. Full stop. Learned counsel for the applicant also submitted that in the aforesaid case, crime number 336 of 2020, 384 of 2020, and 385 of 2020, the applicant has also been granted bail by coordinate bench of this court wide orders dated 21/2021, 28/1/2021. On the strength of aforesaid fact, it is submitted by the learned counsel for the applicant that the case of the present applicant stands on identical footing to that of co-accused Subhash Sagar. Therefore, the applicant is also entitled to be released on bail. It is also pointed out that apart from present case, 17 cases have been shown against the applicant, which have been explained by contending that out of which in one case the applicant has been acquitted. In 8 cases the applicant is on bail. In 4 cases no summons or warrant has been issued against the applicant, and in 3 cases the applicant has moved application for taking him in custody. It is also submitted that applicant is facing detention since 30/5/2020. It is next contended that there is no chance of the applicant of feeling away from the judicial process or tampering with the prosecution evidence. Learned counsel for the applicant lastly submitted that if the applicant is released on bail, he will not misuse the liberty of bail and will cooperate in the early disposal of the case. Per contra, learned additional government advocate has opposed the bail prayer of the applicant by contending that the innocence of the applicant cannot be adjudged at pre-trial stage. Therefore, the applicant does not deserve any indulgence. In case the applicant is released on bail, he will misuse the liberty of bail. Learned AGA does not dispute that applicant and co-accused Subhash Sagar have already been granted bail as stated by learned counsel for the applicant.